Hello, this is Val, the design engineer for VentTabs. Today we will be doing a vent tab replacement install on a Jeep Renegade 2015 to the current model now, which is a 2020. And this is for the center left vent specifically, but this also applies to the center right vent. And here is our replacement vent tab. It's a two-piece hinge design, and for the install, we're gonna want this angled slightly upward, just like that. And for the vent, it's going to go on the rear blade center adjustment post, which is small for this model. So you're gonna want to be certain you line up the forks with that. And then it's going to go on the center front blade, which we're going to just angle downward just a little bit like that to make the install a little easier. And slide the vent tab on like this and peek in to see if you have the forks lined up correctly. And when they are on the adjustment post, just snap it into place like that. And now have a fully functional vent again. Nice. And you can find all of our products online at VentTabs.com. Thank you for watching.